Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Yong from Sgaudiohive. Okay, so as you can see today is something different. We will not be doing any tutorial videos for today. Instead, we will be unboxing the newest earbuds, true wireless earbuds from Razer itself. This is the first Razer truly wireless earbuds. It is the Razer Hammerhead true wireless. Okay, for these earbuds, they actually has this ultra low latency which is targeted for gaming, and you can see it also have a IPX4 water resistant and also custom tuned 13mm drivers. Okay, it's a bit small for a earbud of this size, but we haven't yet to open it up and take a look at it. So today we will be going through the unboxing of this by Razer. This is a very standard Razer packaging. Let's get the box open. Okay, so at the front we are being greeted by this letter by them. Okay, so a bit about the price. They are 99 USD, and in Singapore we can get them for as low as 141 Sing dollars. They comes with a 2-year warranty. I'm not too sure about other regions, but in Singapore we have a 2-year warranty for this. Not too sure if it's the same for all shops, but the one that I got it from. Okay. So right at the front we have that letter and also the usual Razer sticker, and this is the instruction manual. Okay. I think there is going to be a bit of things to read because this is a new product. Okay. I've seen some reviews that says the battery case doesn't show any battery life indicator, but actually they are here. So we have a full, low, critical, also green, orange and red. Okay, we'll go through this in maybe the next video when I do a full review, but for today let's look inside the box. Okay, so here we are greeted by almost everything. We have the earbuds, the charging case, and this is the cable, and I think there is a strap, and these are the sleeves for the earbuds. Because they utilizes the earbud design, the same one as the previous generation, the AirPods, they do not have a proper seal like what you would expect from an in-ear monitor or any of the in-ear true wireless. So let's take out the case. It's actually quite small, fits right into the palm. Okay, so at the front we have that. At the front we have that LED indicator, the Razer branding logo. At the back, a USB-C charging. I think these two holes are for you to install the strap, the wrist strap. Okay, so inside we can see we have the space to put in your earbuds, and once it's open, the green light shows what is the battery percentage left. And we have the Razer. Oh, this is a rubbery material, so I think when pressed down against the earbuds, it does not scratch any of it. Okay, so this is the back, the specs at the back. It has a 275 mAh battery, which is very small. I mean, as compared to other truly wireless earbuds. I think the battery life is rated about 3 hours for normal use. With gaming mode on, I'm not too sure. We have to do a full test, and with the charging case, a total of 16 hours. So let's remove the earbuds. Okay, they actually look the same as the EarPods or the AirPods. Okay. From what I know, the earbuds actually, this logo does not light up like the previous generation of earpiece. Those they are actually not battery powered. Okay, so I do have the Razer Hammerhead wireless. This is the previous version. It's the Bluetooth version, but it was damaged but then let me just show you. The logo here lights up green, and they actually shows you the battery percentage. I think red and orange the same. So I can try to fix it up and do a comparison, but the Razer sound, I mean for all their other earpiece and headsets, usually they have a very boomy bass, very big sound. So we'll do the audio test also and the latency test with this. Okay, some of the touch controls, I think you can have a single tap and hold to play pause, and I think tap and hold for 2 seconds for your voice assistant, double tap forward, triple tap backwards, reverse track, and I think triple tap and hold on the last one for about 2 seconds and you activate the gaming mode. So first impression, these are actually quite big for a true wireless earbud. I mean, it could be slimmer. I mean, if we do a side-by-side comparison with a standard earpiece, they are actually quite big in size, so they can actually fit in the 30mm drivers. Okay, what does it say here? It says the model, the bottom, and I think we have a mic here. These are capable of picking up calls and of course in-game communication. So, let's try that on with the sleeves. Okay, they have a right and left indicator for the sleeves. Okay, they do fit on nicely, but I'm not too sure about the seal. We will talk about it in the next video. Okay, it's fairly easy to get them on, get the sleeves on, but I would really prefer a true in-ear design for more isolation. Not too sure because not too sure why they did this earpod style design. It will definitely give a better sound staging, but we have to wait and try. So the sleeves actually goes on nicely, and it adds quite a few. It adds about 2mm of thickness all around. It should give you a better seal if you cannot have a good seal with the earbuds without the sleeve. So let's open this up, and they do actually fit in the case with the sleeve, and we can see the right and left are reversed, so you might get some used to. So let's pop them in. Okay. There is no indication that shows whether the earbuds are charging, but there is no indication at all, so we might have to really use it to know, and also in the future if there's any problem with the charging, it might be hard to find the culprit. Okay. Let's just take a look at the earbuds in closer. You can see there's a part line here. This part line, this piece is a glossy plastic. I think it's another part. No, actually it is a one piece, just that it's a different texture because the part line goes all the way down. This might not be the hardest to take apart because the part line runs through the whole thing. We might even be able to add some RGB inside by salvaging a older Razer earpiece. Okay, so at the front, I think this is the part that encases the driver. It's also one big part line, and I mean, to be fair, this $99 USD, we do not expect excellent unibody design like what Apple offers. But all in all, I'm quite excited to try this out. So maybe stay tuned for our next video. We'll be using this for maybe another 5 days or a week, and I'll do up the full review by then. Okay, so thanks for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.